Hey lippy lovers, welcome back. For Tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this turquoise glam eye look. Had a lot of fun creating this one. I've always wanted to do a full turquoise look. Let me know in the comments if you guys would ever wear turquoise eyeshadow. I know lately I've been focusing on a lot of eye looks, so I want to know if you guys want to keep seeing more eye looks, if you want to see more lip looks. Any other suggestions I'm open to. I'm also curious, since I've been doing my Halloween looks here on my YouTube channel, if you guys would be interested in seeing any Halloween looks live on Facebook, or if I should just keep them here condensed on YouTube. I know it can be really long sometimes, especially really intricate looks, so I'm trying to figure out the best place for them, so I need to know from y'all. The Lip Sense look is 2 layers of nutmeg, 1 layer of base champagne with a new Desert Topaz gloss. I know people are gonna ask me that and I'm gonna forget, so I'm saying it now on video. And I did show a preview of this on my Instagram stories, as well as how I did my foundation and lips and everything. So the eye look is here. Sometimes I throw in little tidbits on Instagram and Facebook, so be sure you're following me on there. I'm really loving how this look turned out, and I'm excited to show you guys how I created it. As always, stick around to the end to find out who our viewer of the week is. What do you guys think? I'm using ShadowSense by SeneGence, but of course you can use any powder or cream-based shadows you have at home. I just use these because they're waterproof and I have hooded eyes, so your girl needs some help. All right, y'all, keep watching to see how to create this turquoise glam look. I'm starting off with white concealer as my base. This is a lot thinner than ShadowSense, so it's gonna allow for a smoother application since I'm layering so many different colors, and it's gonna really make these bold shades pop. Now I'm using some packing tape that I tore off on the flat side to guide and make sure that I don't get outside of the area I wanna use. This is Smoked Topaz ShadowSense, and I'm going in with this as a base for the crease just to give a little bit of depth. If I'm just using one shade, it would be way too shallow looking. So this is gonna help to deepen the turquoise. So I'm going in with turquoise on the whole lid. This is gonna go over the top of where the smoked topaz is and put more depth, put a lot of bright color in there. This is kind of the base of the entire look. So you can see I'm just layering it to get that deeper color, that more bold, vibrant color that I'm wanting as an end result. Just keep layering it. Now I'm going in with Onyx ShadowSense. I actually mixed this a little bit with the turquoise to put in the V area of the outer eye and a little bit of the crease to add more of that dimension. Next I'm going in with Sandstone Pearl on a flat shading brush to carve out the crease. I like to put it on the bottom of my lid and then open to get a guide. It's important to continue to wipe your brush off because this blue will transfer onto your brush and kind of ruin the nude of this color. So clean your brush a lot throughout this. For the lid, I'm using Seafoam Shimmer ShadowSense. I'm just putting this all over the lid, being careful not to go above that crease that I already carved out. Using a packing motion is gonna get you more color payoff here. And then in the outside corner, I am blending out, and you'll see me go in with that shading brush to kind of mix them together and create a pretty transition here in between the two. Just keep layering this to really get a bold color payoff. To add another layer of dimension, I am using Oasis Glitter ShadowSense. Apply the product to a palette. You could use wax paper or just regular paper and rub. This will get the rest of the pigment off and just leave behind the glitter. So I'm using my hand to apply the glitter directly to the center part of the lid. Next, I'm using Black Eye Sense just to align the waterline on the top and bottom so that this will blend in with my liquid eyeliner that I'm doing next. I'm going all the way around the eye with the black liner instead of just the outside 1/3 like I usually do for less glam looks. For the bottom lash line, I'm starting off with the turquoise once I remove that piece of tape. I'm going to be putting this across the entire bottom lash line, stopping just short of the tear duct area. Then I'm going to be layering Seafoam Shimmer on top. I want this to be really blended out, so I'm using a liner brush. This one is kind of a shading liner brush though. It's a little fluffier. It's from Bare Minerals. So this is going to create a really pretty gradient on that bottom lash line. To highlight the inner corner, I'm using Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, my go-to. I'm using it with a flat shadow brush. This is a Real Techniques brush, and applying it underneath the brow bone for a little bit of a highlight and a pop. Before I pop on some falsies, I'm going to be using Black Lash Sense VolumeIntense Mascara. This is a really amazing lengthening mascara that actually grows your eyelashes by 46% because of Capixyl, one of the main ingredients. Now I'm doing a winged liner with my favorite liquid eyeliner. I absolutely cannot wait until SeneGence comes out with a liquid felt tipped liner, but for now I'm still having to use my Sephora goodies for that. Felt tip is a must-have for winged liner for me. And for the last step, I'm going to be applying some faux mink lashes. I'm using the Duo Quickset Glue for these and looking down into a mirror to apply. Alright y'all, here is the finished look. This is after I've already finished the rest of my makeup, which I did on my Instagram story. I'm absolutely loving these lashes. They are super fluffy and extra. I'm into it. Let me know what you would name this look in the comments below. Alright y'all, what did you think of the final look? Be sure to let me know if you give this look a thumbs up or a thumbs down in the comments. And tag me in any recreations because I want to see so I can give you a shout out. Our viewer of the week is, ta-da! Congrats girl, thanks for being one of my amazing viewers and subscribers. Remember, to be viewer of the week, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment below so that I know you watched. Make sure you guys show her some love in the comments, give her a thumbs up, heart, and a subscribe. Alright, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts! If you guys haven't seen my floral watercolor makeup look yet, you guys can click to the right to watch it here on my channel and click below to subscribe. Be sure to tap that bell so you get my notifications.